Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can use a checkbox with COUNTIF and databars to create a project progress chart. So first of all, titles at the top there, I'll just go phase 1 to 5 so you can see how this works, and I'll give myself a few people, so 1 to 5, and then we'll just have a few people that will be doing these. So if I just type a little list there, that'll do. And we'll put status at the end. Now the checkbox feature is really cool. You just basically highlight the space that you want the checkbox to be, and then you go insert and you click on it, checkbox, and then it will insert a checkbox in all that space. The default is not checked and it says false on the formula bar. If you tick it, it'll go true. So I'm going to tick a few of these so I've got some to look at, like so. And now in this column I want to do the COUNTIF function, which is going to count how many times it says true along each of those lines. So it's equals count if, you highlight the line, comma, and then the word true. You don't need to put true in quotes like you do with normal text because it's true or false, it's a boolean. I'll just close that bracket, click the tick, and that scores that one. Now I can just bring that down. Oops, just tick that again, bring that down. Now what I want on here is the data bar, so that's conditional formatting. If I go home, select conditional formatting and data bar, pick one of these. Now that's given me that, but I don't want to see the numbers as well, so I need to go and edit that, conditional formatting, manage rules. And in manage rules you can edit the rule and tick this little icon, for example, and that will hide it, hide the numbers. So I'll click OK and then OK again, so that hides the numbers. But what I want to happen is, at the minute, this is set so the biggest number, or the biggest number of ticks in this case, so that's 4, the largest number's going all the way across. Now there's only 5 phases, so what I want to do is set this 5 to be the highest number and then 0 to be the lowest number. So if I go back into conditional formatting, manage rules, and then in there I can edit the rule again. Now what I need to do is I need to change both of these that says automatic and set it to number, like so, number. The bottom one can stay on 0, but this top one, the maximum number can only be 5. So I'll put that to 5 and then click OK and then OK. And you see that will pull back a little bit. And if I tick that, it'll pull back a bit more. So as you tick these, the little progress bar starts populating, and you can see how that works, like so. So they will grow and shrink. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video. How you can use the checkbox, use the COUNTIF function to give yourself a score, and then put a data bar on that score so it gives you a visual progress. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.